And now from another angle, insert the assembly, thrust bearing, washers, distance piece. Okay. Oops, not to forget circlip. Pulley. Of course, now with this link belting, I don't need to do like this, but do it anyway. Push back. So the mistake, forgetting the key also. Then you have to undo, because there's a little bit of a space problem here. So just undo the circlip a little bit, so you can move the shaft enough. Finally. You have got to have room enough, namely to insert the key. That's the trick here. And then, of course, align it like that. And then 2 seconds later, wait for it. Circlip inserted. And now what you need to do, or I at least want to do, is to align the belt. So, okay. Yep, we'll call it today there. And then fasten this. And just so you know that I've once again forgot something. This one, insert this before you do all this, because you need some space there. And it's okay to insert some grease here, because then the ball will stick to that grease also when it's mounted in here. Okay. And now this one, while we have the space. Okay. Okay. And now this can be pushed all the way in. I have to unscrew this one more, otherwise the gap here will be too large. So bring it around. So I have to unscrew this a little bit more, because the gap here inhibits, or that doesn't allow me to push back the circlip in the slot. Mostly the other way, sorry. So let's see, there it is. there. And now the alignment of the belt again. And yes, the obvious, of course, pulley off again, cover on. Just didn't want to mess with that. These ones off, cover here. Of course, mounting the cover here. And of course, these two bolts. There should be a nut here also. Now, stuck, free, stuck, free, stuck, free, I mean, stuck again. So, let's test drive it. So, ready for the next test. Okay. Tightening belts, switching on. Success. It moved up to 50 Hertz. 50 Hertz. Let's try the top speed. Yeah, seems to work. And here I have the MK1 motorizing assembly. The motor with the new plate in POM and the new pulley. Replace the old ones that were no good anymore. And then the lever to push on another pin that is a wedged design that wedge out the brake shoes. You can say that the assembly is wedged side and goes out when you clutch it. Sorry, when you connect it. Let's run it just to show, and I have belt loosely mounted, just keeping the belt over here. Starting up. Now the clutch is not in, the pulley is not in use. Switching on, and off again.